Watch.
5 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Fine.
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Sorry.
The extended weather forecast for the area for the period Tuesday night through Sunday. For Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 30. Northwest winds 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Oh dear. Oh! Here we go. Get that down there.
You're not allowed to break them.
They broke the laws of physics! They broke the laws of physics! This was not supposed to be
The
possible!
National Weather Service has
What?
issued Tornado Watch number 1, effective until 11 p.m.
Hilarious.
This watch includes the following
Hilarity at its maximum.
Arkansas, Pope,
You can go in. You can
O,
go in. There.
P,
What?
and Yell. Remember, a tornado watch means
I don't think those were counties. I think those were just letters.
severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather
First severe weather watch of the year.
persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible
No,
warnings.
you're not allowed to remove them.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
He's going in with you. See? He got stuck in a really bad spot. Look at where he's at.
This is NOAA weather radio,
Okay.
station W.